Okay, so although my workshop's quite small, I do work in here pretty much full time, and I'm always trying to find ways to make the space more efficient and work for me better. So having dedicated tools for different parts, because I make small batches of items and it's nice to get set up and just make those batches. What I end up doing is a lot of sanding. I do a lot of sanding. That's why I go for Festool sanders. You can get some criticism for using Festool, but I love them. Especially when you've got them in your hands for hours at a time, really, really good. What I've decided though is to get a few more kind of bench mounted ones. I've got this bench here, my carved bench actually. So I don't know if you've, I carved this one up a few years ago and I kind of use it as my grinding station so that my Tormek grinder stays out there. But I decided that there's probably enough room to have a disc sander and a bobbin sander. We'll see if they both fit. And just so that it gives me that kind of possibility of having a few more bench mounted tools, means I'm not holding the sander for so long and my smaller parts should be easier to sand. I've just ordered them. I went a bit crazy this week. They've just turned up. Really nice delivery driver. Dropped them off. These are from Axminster. So this one is the bobbin sander. This one I'm not going to use as much as the disc one, I don't think. But I did go for the professional model on this one. The other one I didn't because it's a little bit smaller footprint. So on the workshop kind of range of tools they do. Not massive into unboxing videos, must be said, but we'll see. Let's see how we get this out. Let's cut the box actually. I mean, it's always exciting getting a new tool, isn't it, don't you think? I love it. Ooh, shiny. Got the spindles and the insert plates. Got one bobbin there. That's the 38mm one. Got another one. Quite a narrow one and a few more different sleeves. Oh, it's not like this round. So we've got a manual, we've got a bench, we've got a degrease, always a fun job. And that's the bobbin I think I'll be using most, is the 50mm. Got a dust extractor fork, we've got some spanners, always nice if it comes with its own spanners. Okay, it's got an adapter, that's pretty cool. I always like a no-volt release switch on everything I got, so I put them on my router tables. So that's looking pretty cool. It is quite high on my bench, so maybe it'll be a case of seeing how we go. Maybe we'll build a slightly lower bench. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. Keeps my back straight. Got a few to do. And get a nice like little bit of production line going. First impressions, feels rock solid. Does feel really nice, even the, you know, the tin sides and stuff. Really good. It's got lots of slots so I can put everything in, which I really like. I like having everything easy to hand. Makes a big difference, doesn't it? And slots that side for the plates. That's cool. Okay, yeah, I'm pleased with that. Now let's hope the disc sander fits on there as well. So this is the workshop range. So that's the professional range. The disc sander is going to be the workshop range. We'll see what it's like. See if we notice much difference in quality. Used to buy quite a bit of Axminster stuff. Don't know what I bought lately. I still use them. Now this has got a 3-year guarantee anyway, so you know, worst comes to worst. Ooh, quite a nice sized piece of kit. What we got there? Do a mitre fence. Won't be using that much, I shouldn't imagine. That can go in the bandsaw box, bandsaw cake. Oh, yeah, that's going to fit. Perfect. Basically got, so if I have to do something more than once or twice, for me it's easier to have a dedicated tool to it at the moment, depending on what I'm making obviously. If I'm making just a one-off something, it's not. But if you're making 10 of something, it definitely is. So I've got a bit of a pipe here to attach to it. Got the power cable, we'll get these fired up in a second. Now, Quality wise, feels similar. I mean, obviously it's probably to do with the motor and the ratings, but yeah. Shame it doesn't automatically lock to 90. First impression. But I suppose that means you can go over 90, which is nice. It's always nice if it has like a way of locking in. Now, I like its dust extraction. Nice big wheel, I should say. That safety will come off. Now, where is my start and stop? Oh, it's so quiet. Love it. Obviously the extractor will be going, so it won't be quiet. That's really nice. Should I do my nails? What should I do? And this is mainly for little parts. So this is a bit greasy. This is a scrap bit of wood. I think that is going to be awesome. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Whee! So it's just make me a little bit faster, a little bit more efficient. Obviously the torque out as well. These will have to slide back when I'm cutting stuff on the miter saw, but it's not the end of the world. Long stuff. I don't bring that longer stuff in here really. And that's one disadvantage, it's still spinning, which I'm not a massive fan of. I do like stuff to be braked, but it is only a sander. This cast table's nice. You get some white spirits on that afterwards when we're doing stuff properly, so we don't get stuff dirty. Disconnect the sander from the power source, select the proper clean the tape out the spindle before mounting the spindle. Use an open-ended wrench to lock the spindle by holding its flat surface. Oh, nice actually. Let's get the spanners out. Do love having dedicated spanners for stuff. Oh, it's reverse thread. Makes sense. Worth remembering. Nothing worse when you try and do something. I think that's the right insert. Nice. Oh look, that's braked as well. So you can see the difference between the professional and the workshop one. Like I say, I think for the small parts I'll be doing on that one, it'll be fine for now. Let's get that one going again. Oh. Nice. It's going to do the job just nice. So we got the dust extraction on the back, we've got dust extraction on the side of that one. Just means I can keep it a bit healthier. And I think having these two here, it's going to be great. It's going to really just streamline the whole thing. I'm chuffed with that. I think that's going to do nicely. So yeah, just a bit of an unboxing, having a look, and then hopefully this will speed up my production process a little bit, maybe make me some more money, maybe just keep me ticking over. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.